We started Markforged 3 years ago in my living room. With 3D printers at the time, before we started this, you could have any part you wanted in plastic, right? But plastic isn't strong enough for a lot of applications. So we designed a printer that allows you to embed continuous carbon fiber in the plastic and make a part that's 10 times stronger than plastic's ever been before. Carbon fiber is the strongest stuff on Earth, stronger than steel, in fact. It's made in this continuous strand. When you have this continuous strand, this is how you make airplanes or race cars or sporting equipment. The long length gives it the strength.
There's a lot of companies out there that make 3D printers, but what we do that no one else does is we print with carbon fiber.
Buying SOLIDWORKS was a no-brainer. We started with SOLIDWORKS because it's so fast and so efficient.
We're a small team, and one of the things that makes us successful is we're able to prototype things in-house very quickly. So with SOLIDWORKS, we can have a part from drawn on the whiteboard to in my hand. We can have 2 or 3 of those in a single day, and that's an invaluable tool. So the Z stage is basically the platform that moves the print bed up and down on the printer. For our technology, it's extremely critical that that Z stage is very rigid. We were able to use SOLIDWORKS simulation to basically close a loop on a problem that traditionally would take hours to solve and reduce that to seconds. We were able to know the results of the end part before we actually had to cut any metal. Collaboration is extremely important in the work that we do as an engineering team. SOLIDWORKS PDM helps us to collaborate more efficiently with our vendors because it means there's only one version of something that gets in their hands, and more importantly, it means that it's the right version.
There are some CAD tools that are easy to use, but they're not full-featured. There are other CAD tools that have everything under the sun, but their learning curve is impossible. With SOLIDWORKS, you get this beautiful combination of easy to use and extremely powerful. Time is money. So the faster you can make a product, not only do you get better products, but you're saving money with the time. Hardware design cycles have traditionally been 12 to 18 months, and that's what most people are doing for 3D printing. We use SOLIDWORKS, and with this, we've been able to have a more seamless package, so we can spin parts in 6 months or faster. The future of 3D printing is access to parts. What we've done now is we've totally leveled the playing field. Our customers range from the largest Fortune 10 to a man in a garage. When I was in high school, we made bridges out of popsicle sticks and glue. Okay, now you go to like a local high school, they're 3D printing. And actually, it's just like the original notion for SOLIDWORKS. There was a time when CAD was this, $25,000 thing running on a $25,000 computer, and engineers waited in line for CAD. And the vision for SOLIDWORKS was to put CAD on every engineer's desktop. We're doing that for 3D printing. We're putting a high-strength 3D printer on every engineer's desktop.